Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a Venn diagram for your video presentation on CapCut PC. So I'm going to select some colors here, and I'm just going to select the 16:9 frame ratio. I'm also going to make it a little bit larger, go to mask, and I'm going to select circle. I'm just going to create a simple one. Then I'm going to select another color. Actually, I'll just copy and paste it, and I'm just going to add the color here so that it's a little bit more simple. Then on this one, I'm just going to adjust the opacity a little bit so that it creates this Venn diagram. And I'm also going to go back here. I'm going to go to canvas. I'm going to select color, and I'm going to select a white background. Okay, maybe like a darker background actually, because you can't really see the diagram. Let's like use this red one. You can also select the purple here and adjust the opacity on that. Grab your text, add in your default text, and type in Venn diagram. You can also select the font here, of course. Add it like this. I'm just going to select these, like the both of them, and I'm just going to make it go down a little bit. Copy and paste your text, and type in like pros and cons or something like that. I don't really know what's in a Venn diagram. I have not studied in a long time, so just type whatever you're going to put in this Venn diagram. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!